Hi, I'm Pradeep. Uh, I have a background in medical imaging research. I was in the United States at the National Institutes of Health working as a medical researcher for about 6 years when I decided to move to ISB. And there's a reason I came to ISB. ISB was my topmost priority for a B school for two primary reasons. One, ISB is a truly global B school that happens to be located in India, an emerging market. Look at the syllabus and the curriculum across any B school across the world, and you will see that they all emphasize on emerging market. They all have 1 to 2 weeks of field trips to India, to China, to learn about emerging markets. I think ISB is uniquely located to leverage upon that. Secondly, we have the very best of faculty from across the best B schools in the world. I've been thoroughly impressed in the last 1 month that I've been here by the breadth and depth of knowledge of the faculty who are from Wharton, from Kellogg, from other top B schools. This is a truly unique experience that you need to really go through to understand the details of managing a business, to understand leadership. But having come here, another reason that I've seen why you should join ISB or others should join ISB is that it has a very diverse student body. I think the peer learning that I've come across in the last 1 month is amazing. We have people from infrastructure background, from medical background, from finance who have worked for 4 to 10 years in all these in different positions in these fields. And to learn from them firsthand about their experience in those fields, what they faced, what are the challenges in those fields, that is not something you can learn from anywhere else. So the 1 month that I've spent at ISB so far has been very special. I wake up to a breakfast with a golfer. I have my lunch with a doctor from a super specialty hospital. And I have dinner listening to wartime stories from a major in the army. And you know what's so special about these people? They are the very people I call classmates at ISB.